What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pam. I have a lot of plants and that's what we talk about here. And today we're gonna do a video tag while I pot some more plants. Video where I received these plants should go up before this, so if for some reason it doesn't, I'm sorry. So you would know that I got these plants from Houseplant Heather. Now I need to go to the store and pick up some more pots. Unfortunately, my life is chaos lately, so I haven't had time. So we're just gonna repot a few of them today, and we're gonna talk about me, not as a YouTube content maker, but as a subscriber. So I've scoured my whole house for empty pots, and all I could come up with were these. My son actually, I believe it was my son. How old am I? How many years has it been? I believe my son painted this for me, and there was like a little plant in there that I probably killed. And then I've got this, a bigger one. So we're just gonna pot what we can today. I don't have a ton of cactus soil either, so I'm just trying to make it work. So I've just got this here, Hoffman cactus soil. I've actually dumped a bunch of perlite in here as well as some horticultural charcoal. And then I just added some of my regular green tree soil in there just because I didn't have quite enough cactus soil. And I find if you add just a little bit of something else to the cactus soil, it doesn't do that compact brick thing that drives me crazy. I don't like to aerate my soil. I feel like I'm gonna break roots. We should be good to go. Okay. If you watch Nicole from My Clean Leaves' video or Nikki from Plants, Pots, and Whatnots' video, I can't believe I got through that in one take, that I started talking to some of my fellow plant creators. We have a lot of group chats, and sometimes we bounce ideas off of each other because we're just very interested in helping each other grow. Everybody gets along great. Honestly, it's wonderful. So one of the things that I pitched out as an idea was that we could start doing some video tags. All the other communities on YouTube do it, so they tagged me in the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to pot while I answer these questions is this Starfish Sansevieria. So I don't have one of these, and this one's actually really cool. Like sometimes I see them and they're all like floppy and weird, and this one's just like a real nice, it's a nice little specimen. Good job, Heather. So the first question is, do you sub right away or do you watch a few videos before you hit the subscribe button? Because I have such terrible memory, I tend to just hit the subscribe button right away. If I really like a video that I'm watching, or I think I might like some videos from that channel in the future, I will definitely hit subscribe right away. Every once in a while, I'll come across one that I'm like, do I like this? And then I'll watch a few more, but I'll always do it right away because I know that if I just click off that video and YouTube doesn't happen to recommend that channel to me again, I'll probably never think about it again. Does the make sure you subscribe mantra ever turn me off? No, it doesn't, because frankly, I could use the reminder. Once again, I don't have a great memory. Another thing that works really well on me is telling me to hit the like button, because if you don't tell me, sometimes I won't remember. So these roots are all like crazy root bound, so I'm gonna try to gently wiggle them apart. Next question is, how many channels do you have the notification bell on for? I don't know the exact number, but I can tell you some of the ones that I know I have the notification bell turned on for. I have the bell on for Summer Rain Oaks. I have the bell on for Crime Pays, but Botany doesn't. Highly recommended. I don't have a lot of plant channels with the notification turned on, I guess, besides Summer Rain Oaks. That's not really for any particular reason. I think it's actually put the notification bell on for things that are not plant related, because I watch so much plant related content. Sometimes YouTube won't really show me all the other channels that I watch. I kind of count on the algorithm to keep me informed on all my planty channels, but when it comes to like Raw Beauty Christy, Pop Lux, Elsa Ray, Philip DeFranco, Hot Ones, Kill Tony, almost forgot ContraPoints. So I tried to keep my bell on for stuff like that because sometimes YouTube just won't show it to me. So recently, real into skincare videos. So next up, I'm going to pot up these little cuttings of a Lifesaver cactus that Heather sent me, and I knew what it was pretty quickly because I recognized the dying flower down here as one of those little Lifesaver flowers, so I was pretty excited. Now I'm pretty sure how this works is you just put it in the sand because that's how succulents can work, and these are already calloused over, So I think I'm doing this right. And if not, I'm gonna look it up after this video and I'm gonna fix it, okay? Do you watch every video on your subscription feed or only your favorites? So because I am subscribed to so many people, I definitely do not watch all of them. I don't have time, I wish I did. I tend to watch a lot of YouTube while I'm doing housework or doing other things. So a lot of the times I just have my AirPods in and I'll be like listening to a video. So I don't always have time to watch everything, which kind of sucks because sometimes I'll miss my friends' videos and then I feel really guilty. Not just because not just because I feel bad, but I also want to watch them. And then I'll see one and I'll be like, how the hell did I miss that? Question number 5 is, how many channels do you watch every upload from, no matter how busy you are? Okay. Real talk, I watch every single video that Elsa Ray posts. I watch every video just about that Raw Beauty Kristi posts. I watch almost all of Summer Rain's videos. Sometimes if she's doing the little plant spotlights, I might miss those because they come out every day, but then I'll go back and binge watch them later. So usually I watch every single one of those. I watch all of Kaylee Ellen's. I watch every single T-Spill. So bad, it's so bad. And I watch every single Hot Ones. If you've never watched an episode of Hot Ones, I would even be okay with you just shutting my video off and going and doing that. It's fine. I'll be all right. My feelings won't be hurt. You can come back later. Hot Ones is an interview show where the guest eats progressively hotter chicken or faux chicken wings. Oh, it is so good. I also watch every video that Roberto Blake posts, and he does videos on growing YouTube, on small businesses, on being an entrepreneur, and like motivational content. But I find him to be the most honest and real kind of video creator of that type, you know? So I've been watching him for years. I've been long times. What kind of commenter are you? So I am a frequent commenter. I like to let people know that I saw their video, that I watched it. I like to interact with them because I know how good it feels being a creator to have everybody talk to you. You know, I try to make sure that everybody knows, like, I read your comment, I saw you. So I like when people do that to me too, but it's not really a deciding factor. I'll just leave comments. I just like to talk. The next question is, do you skip ads or watch them? And we've got this little guy all set. I might stick some toothpicks in here just to help him stay up straight. Let's see how that goes. The next little thing that I'm gonna pot up is this silver dollar vine. I don't know a lot about this, so if you have one of these, let me know. It said in the card that Heather sent that this would be all calloused over and ready to plant, so I'm just gonna do that. So ads, do I skip ads or watch? So, I have YouTube Premium, so I don't see ads. It is wonderful, worth every penny. I don't have Netflix, and I'm in the process of trying to cancel cable, but for some reason they make you have it even when you tell them, I don't have a TV though, and they're like, but you have to have it. You have to have everything. And you're like, but can't I just have the internet? And they're like, no. Just because I watch so much YouTube, it is worth every penny to me. So I pay the money, I have my family all on it. I know my son isn't watching any weird ads that way. And the best part about it is when I watch videos, even though there are no ads on there, the creator I'm watching is still getting a little bit of money from my view because YouTube values my view as a premium user. Yeah, I don't like commercials. So, you may notice I don't do mid-roll ads, and that is 100% for you. Oh, so cute. Okay, we're on the last thing to pot, and we're not through these questions. Okay. Question number 8. Do you speed up videos? No. That sounds very annoying. I have a small child that talks to me 300 miles per hour all day. I don't need my videos to also do that, so. Number 9. Do you click affiliate links or codes? Yes. If I'm getting a discount and you're getting a little chip off of that, I have used all kinds of affiliate links and codes since long before I was on YouTube. I used to do a lot of the podcast ones. When I signed up for Squarespace with my old business, I used, I think it was Mark Maron's code. Okay, so we're gonna pot up this Peperomia obtusifolia, and you know, as Heather said in her card, she knew I wasn't too into that kind of obtusifolia, but she said that she thought the modeling on this was very unique, and I agree. I actually really like this one, so I'm really happy to have it. She proved me wrong on the variegated obtusifolia. Apparently, there is one I like. Question number 10 is, what is my preference on video length, my sweet spot? I have ADD, so when you make 25-minute videos and like, it's just kind of talking about your day and stuff, you're gonna lose me. I feel awful clicking off of any video. I try to advocate whenever someone's asking me for tips on making YouTube videos, which if you guys want me to do like a video about that, I'm not like I'm a huge expert or anything, but I've had decent growth over the last 3 months, so I think I know a few things. Anyway, the one thing that I always try to give new YouTubers advice on is to keep it succinct. It's really easy to blather on when you're talking to a camera because there's nobody there to look bored. But I assure you, if you're not getting to the point, people are going to click off your video. So my sweet spot tends to be about where I put my videos, and that's between 10 and 15 minutes. I do actually really like longer YouTube videos, but they need to be really well made. There needs to be B-roll and cuts and different, there needs to be stuff going on. It needs to be telling a story. I need to care what happens at the end. So a lot of times if it's like a 45-minute video of somebody repotting and just like talking about their week, I probably won't make it through all of that unless I'm like really into knowing how that person's week went, if that makes sense. This is the most taped down job ever. I'll change her name to Packing Tape Heather. Almost done. So the next two questions are, do I immediately thumbs up videos and do I thumbs down videos? As long as I'm looking at my phone, because sometimes, like I said, I'm doing chores while I'm listening to YouTube videos, as long as my phone is within my reach, I will usually reach over and hit the like button as soon as I start the video, if it's from somebody that, I know that I'm going to enjoy the video. If it's a random video that I'm not familiar with the creator, I don't instantly hit the like button because I don't know if I'm gonna like it or not. As far as thumbs down go, the only thing that I ever really thumbs down are like racist I have thumbs down a few beauty guru apologies. I'm that bitch, I'm sorry, I don't care. But overall, I really don't, unless they're like mean-spirited, I really don't thumbs things down. I'll just click off because, I don't feel entitled to share my opinion everywhere. And the last question, as I pot up the last plant, question number 13, is do you share other YouTubers' videos on your social media? And the answer to that is yes, all the time. Do it all the time. And actually the whole plant community does this, and I think it's really dope. Like this was not how the last community I was a part of was at all. Really been in another community where, technically you have competition, which is not really a thing I believe in. I believe you're only competing with yourself and the last best thing that you did. I just want you to rest comfortably knowing that I have yet to meet an asshole in this community. Oh, that's a lie. There is one very sexist and weird old man that has a plant channel that I've just blocked from my memory and YouTube, so I just pretend he doesn't exist. So yes, I do share other people's content on both my channel as well as my Instagram. So there we go. So that is it for the perfect subscriber tag. Thank you to Nicole and Nikki for tagging me and the other Pam. Now I think I'm gonna go ahead and tag a few people, including some who are not aware we're doing this. I wanted it to be a little bit of a surprise when other people got tagged. I didn't want everybody to know about it ahead of time. So I would like to tag Becca from De La Plants, Adam from Not Dude, Gerard from Gerard's Horticulture Culture, and Harley G. I want to know what you guys are like as subscribers. So let me know down below if you enjoy these kind of videos, if you have any care tips for these little guys here, because I'm new to them, I'm assuming. So thanks for hanging out with me and getting to know me as a subscriber today. I hope you enjoyed seeing these new plants that I have no room for. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.